Green tea has been a popular beverage for centuries and is often associated with weight loss. While it's not a magic solution for shedding pounds, incorporating green tea into a healthy diet and lifestyle may support weight loss efforts. Here's how green tea may potentially aid in weight loss. Thermogenic properties. Green tea contains catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which are believed to have thermogenic properties. This means they can increase metabolism and promote fat oxidation, potentially leading to increased calorie burning. Boosts metabolism. Green tea has been found to increase metabolic rate, which can help the body burn calories more efficiently. While the effect may not be significant on its own, it can contribute to overall calorie expenditure and potentially aid in weight management. Appetite suppression. Some studies suggest that green tea may help suppress appetite and reduce food cravings. This can help with portion control and overall calorie intake, supporting weight loss efforts. Fat oxidation. Green tea has been shown to enhance the body's ability to oxidize fat, especially during exercise. This means it may help break down stored fat and use it as an energy source, potentially contributing to weight loss. Water retention. Green tea has natural diuretic properties, which means it can promote the excretion of excess water from the body. While this may not directly lead to fat loss, it can help reduce temporary water weight and bloating. It's important to note that while green tea may have these potential benefits, the overall impact on weight loss will vary among individuals. Additionally, it's crucial to adopt a comprehensive approach to weight management, including a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and healthy lifestyle choices. Green tea can be a part of this approach, but it should not be relied upon as the sole method for weight loss. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is recommended for personalized advice and guidance. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more updates.